Welcome back to another episode with Retouch4me. Today we are doing something special for the Black Friday Cyber Monday sale. Yes, we are doing a live editing session with my model Dea. We shall be live shooting and editing the photo straight on my computer using the camera connection with the imaging software and straight transferring it to the Retouch4me plugins and get them done and edited in seconds, ready to post them on social media. Before starting, let's not forget Black Friday, Cyber Monday, 35% off, and with my personal discount code you'll get 40% off any product from Retouch4me. The offer is valid from November 23rd to November 28th. Don't forget that 35% is from everyone and 40% off is just with my personal discount code. We are now ready. I'm taking the camera for the first portrait photos. And we are going to make some portrait and some landscape photos so we get the actual sample for our editing process. Let me do some smiles. And now we are getting straight and editing in seconds. Let's go straight to my laptop and go and get edits done. And we are inside of the Retouch4me hill that actually automates the detection and retouching of problem skin areas in photos while keeping the natural skin texture intact. And this is able to be done in just seconds, and you are able to select the sensitivity from 0 to 100 and actually see and actually understand what area is affected. Now we have done it. Let's go to the next plugin. After retouching the skin areas, we are now ready to get that EyeBrilliance to enhance the eyes, and we are going that with the EyeBrilliance from Retouch4me. We will be now exporting the photos and getting straight to EyeBrilliance and get that done in seconds. And we are inside of the EyeBrilliance that automatically enhances and highlights the eyes in photos using the dodge and burn technique. And yes, you are able to blend it from 0 to 100, also selective if you want to check the original version and the blended one. So you get a great EyeBrilliance exposure. And that's it. In just 1 second we enhance the actual eye brightness and get a better exposed eye image in the whole complete portrait. Now we will be using a third plugin to actually smoothen up the complete face and enhance the complete portrait. And we shall be using the Retouch4me Dodge and Burn. Let's go straight and make the edit in seconds. And we are inside the dodge and burn, then evens out problem areas with high-end retouching techniques to lighten and darken specific areas of your portrait. And now we have just one more thing to do, and that's whitening the teeth, so we have a better overall portrait. Let's go for the white teeth plugin from Retouch4me. Let's go straight in it. Inside the Retouch4me white teeth that automatically finds the teeth in the photo and whitens them up. And you can also whiten from 0 to 100, and also you can select the brightness option and actually preview it in just a second. And yes, my actor and model is really liking this plugin. With this edit we are now ready to post the image with all the processing done in under 1 minute. Well, if you are using just one plugin it will be less, but you can actually combine multiple plugins for your desired image look. Yes, there we have your portrait ready. We have now changed for a different style portrait, actually complete body shoot. And we have now a big problem. I changed the actual background and the background is black, but it's really not that smooth. And for that we shall be using another great plugin from Retouch4me, and it's called the Clean Backdrop. So we are now ready to get to the shoot. I am using the Sony a7 III with my Zeiss 55 that I'm using a lot because it's one of the sharpest lenses in the market right now. So let's get firstly to a fast shoot. Shooting ready, let's go and edit this really bad backdrop in a matter of seconds. And we are inside the Retouch4me Clean Backdrops that cleans the studio background in just one click. Automatically spots the dirt, small folds and also sensor dust and removes it evenly with the black or actually any other color background. I have the black and actually I'm able to blend it from 0 to 100 and get the smooth look out of my background studio. In just a couple of seconds we have a smooth black background without any hassle and you're ready to post your picture on your social. How cool is that? We are now dressed up in a different style to get more volume in the image. For that we will be using the portrait volumes and we are going straight to take some photos and then getting straight to the small edit and exporting that in a couple of seconds. Let's go straight for the shoot. Shooting done, let's get straight to the edit. Loaded out the portrait volumes that add an extra dimension to your photos. Retouch4me portrait volumes automatically add a depth and a dimension to the portraits in just 1 second. And yes, you are also able to blend it from 0 to 200 and preview it in seconds. Easy and simple like that. To finish off in style with a great portrait tonality, we shall be using skin tone. And we're going straight firstly to some additional portrait photos and then get straight into the edit. Let's go for the portrait shots. Shooting done, let's get straight into the edit. And we are inside the skin tone that smoothens out the skin tones, automatically detecting open skin areas in the photos, determining the various skin tone, evening it out. Yes, you can also blend it actually from 0 to 200 and previewing from the original to the actual blended up to 200% with the actual preview that looks like that. Pretty awesome. And you can also combine multiple plugins to get the desired portrait export. Just amazing. With the Retouch4me plugins you are ready to get your portraits to the next level. And don't forget, if you use my promo code you will get the complete plugin section discounted for 40%. And we shall thank Dea for this amazing support. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, I will be happy to answer to all them. Until my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bell icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.